Hello everyone, this is the video of Legal Studies, Class 12, Unit 2, and the topic is Contract Law. And under the Contract Law, the provision that today we will discuss, that is Unlawful Illegal Agreement. So, we will check what is the meaning of unlawful or illegal agreement. Something like that defines the law, something legal, illegal. Based on that we will discuss. So let's check out what is meaning of unlawful or illegal agreement. An illegal agreement or unlawful agreement is the type of contract which cannot be enforced under the law because the purpose of the agreement is to achieve an illegal end. What does it mean? That an agreement which purpose is to achieve an illegal thing, object, or whatever the things, the purpose is illegal, then it is unlawful or illegal agreement. For example, contract of murder. Someone has given you money to kill someone or promised you to pay 5 lakhs rupees if you kill someone. So this is illegal agreement or contract because the purpose is illegal. Okay, so this is illegal and unlawful agreement. Further, an agreement made for the fraudulent purpose is void and hence cannot be enforced in the court of law. What does it mean? That if you made an agreement to cheat, to misrepresent something, though the object is lawful but your intention is wrong, is illegal, then it is unlawful illegal agreement. The second point is, in an agreement where the parties are agreed to impose a fraud on the third person, their agreement is unlawful. What does it mean? That let's understand it with an example. There are two persons, A and B, both made an agreement that he will sell certain objects which supposed to be illegal or even not illegal, but the object is duplicate. For example, both of them agreed to sell certain original leather products to C, and he went with some sample that this is the leather products like purse, like some other bags and all, and also shown the sample. C agreed and ordered certain amount that I want this much purse and this much bags and all, but what he delivered, that was duplicate. So this is again illegal or unlawful contract agreement because the purpose again was illegal. Next point is, the agreement made with the intention to deceive someone is an illegal or unlawful agreement. Well, that is if you just willing to deceive someone through wrong information or something like that. You represented yourself as a very known business person, you are into this jewelry business and all, and through that you influenced the person, deceived the person, or made some agreement. So that is unlawful. So you cannot do like that because that is wrong or unlawful. So you are not allowed to do certain acts which are not permitted by the law, so it is unlawful. The next point is, the agreement made for any sort of immoral act is illegal or unlawful. What does it mean? That let's understand it with an example. That a lady came to you and wanted your house on rent, and she is just involved in some immoral act, like she is a prostitute and wanted your house on rent so that she can use your house for her purpose, and she also agreed to pay you commission apart from the rent. So in this case, since her work is immoral, so this is unlawful agreement. Okay. Now the last point is the agreement made with the purpose to defeat the provisions of any law is illegal or unlawful agreement. So what does it mean? That if there is any provision and you know that, and then in spite of knowing this provision, you just doing something against that in order to defeat that provision. It could be anything. The example is dealing with an enemy. Okay, so you are not allowed, though your agreement is under the provision, though your object is lawful, but the person with whom you are dealing with, he is an enemy. So he is not allowed to make a contract. So your relation with such person is again against the public policy, and that is also under the provision, that is to defeat the provision. That term also defined here. So you are not allowed to do that because this is unlawful agreement, illegal agreement. So this is all about the unlawful agreement or illegal agreement. Hope you understood the concept. Okay, see you in next video.